morning Year 4 and welcome to Friday's literacy. So it's comprehension today, and the comprehension that I've set you is all to do with zoos or animals, so it links into what we've been learning this week. Okay, so some of the questions that you might have, when you read them, double check again what is the question asking me to do. Is it asking me to find specific vocab? Is it asking me to retrieve from the text? Maybe predict what's going to happen in the future, and also maybe look for clues in the text. So I'm going to show you just some of the text that you've got. Your 1 and your 2 star are information packs about tigers. Okay, so there won't really be any prediction there because it's all factual information. So your 1 and your 2 star are facts about tigers, and then you're going to probably use Rex Retriever the most because you're retrieving facts from the text. Now your 3 and your 4 star, I've given you a newspaper article. So it's something similar to what we've been looking at over the other weeks. So it's going to be in the style of a newspaper article, and they're going to be about snakes, so still linking back to zoos. Now again, because it's an information pack, doubtful that you're going to be using Predicting Pip, doubtful you're going to be using Inference Iggy. However, you will be using Vocab Victor because it does have a glossary on there. So you will see on your pack at the very bottom of the corner, if you're a 3 or 4 star, there is a blue box. Now a glossary gives you the meaning to them words. So for example, enclosure. So you will find that word, it's common when we talk about zoos or animals in captivity. An enclosure is an area that's fencing off where the animal stays. So you've got a glossary there, and that's where Vocab Victor will help you out with the definitions of those words. And then finally you've got Rex Retriever. Now some of the questions in here are most likely going to be Rex Retriever because it's an information report. So for example, your first question on your 3 and 4 star is find and copy the names of 3 countries where garter snakes live. So you're going to be looking at where garter snakes live. Now the order of the questions will be in the order that you've read it, so you're perhaps going to be looking at the top of the information pack to answer that question. So lots of these find and copy. Now there is a prediction question here. What do you think scientists will do next? So you're going to be using clues from the text to predict what scientists might be doing next to help the snakes. So same again with your 4 star, and you're going to be retrieving from the text, what do tigers eat? Write down 2 examples that is in the text for you. Now I hope you enjoy reading these because they're really full of information, and it links back to what you've been doing all week, and you've worked so hard with your writing. So have a lovely weekend Year 4, and I hope you enjoy reading these.